I know you guys all have been wondering why I'm the reason you're here. Because a long time ago, back in 2011, Andrea went to the Canfield Scaregrounds, and being the amazing older sister that I am, I picked her up. So during our short ride, Andrea was telling me about this boy, Matt, and how she liked him, but didn't know if he liked her. So instead of driving home, I did the responsible thing and drove her to Matt's house. And refused to leave until she got out and talked to him.
We have come rejoicing into the house of the Lord for this celebration, dear brothers and sisters, and now we stand with Matthew and Andrea on the day they intend to form a home of their own. And as you share this one lifetime together, may that love that binds you shine forth as a beacon for all of the world to see. Matthew, do you take Andrea to be your wife? Do you promise to be faithful to her in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health, to love her and to honor her all the days of your life?
I do.
Andrea, do you take Matthew to be your husband? Do you promise to be faithful to him in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health, to love him and to honor him all the days of your life?
I do.
It is my pleasure and my honor to introduce for the very first time, Mr. and Mrs. Matthew Milligan.
Almost 4 or 5 years ago today, we went to this thing. It was called Warp Tour. The group of us who went practically had an entire itinerary set out of exactly the bands we wanted to see. And as we're going to one of these bands, I think either me or Steve wanted to see in particular, he kind of stops in his tracks, looks at us and says, "Hey guys, I'm actually gonna go see this punk rock band with a violin with this girl from high school. But if you haven't already guessed, that girl was Andrea." At the day, I thought he was missing time with his friends. I see it completely differently now. Being present is exactly what he was doing. He was in love, and he was making sure he was there to enjoy that moment to the fullest with the person he needed to enjoy it with. I'm so happy for the two of you, of the man you've become, and that both of you are marrying your other half.